Welcome, welcome back, Monday Money Makers. I'm so excited to be back here with you guys. We got a new opportunity today, and I just want to thank all of my lovely subscribers for subscribing to my channel and rocking with me. I understand that we all want cash giveaways, but that can't always happen all the time. But don't worry, money makers. One day in the future, I will do it again. I don't know when. It will be random, but stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel for more of those. But let's get into today's topic, and it's called LiveSpace. Now we all used to heard of MySpace. MySpace used to be popping back in the day in the early 2000s. It's no longer exists anymore. So now we have a new platform that replaced it, and it's called LiveSpace, not MySpace. LiveSpace. And so as you can see here, you can go ahead and go to LiveSpace and you can join the thousand of other creators on this all new social media streaming platform. So you can go live like you can on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that. And if you are a gaming channel, or if you are a blogging channel or a football channel, or whatever type of niche you're in, this is a platform that you can use to utilize that and start earning revenue. And as you can see here, you can earn real income. Thousands of people are earning money on this website alone. They no longer have to go on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook to earn their coins. It's a whole lot of other websites in this world that a lot of people essentially do not know about. They do not know about these particular websites. So I'm here to tell you that this does exist. You can earn real income. You get paid subscriptions from fans with a simple 15% fee. And so what that means is that they are going to take 15% out of whatever you make. So if you made $30, you times that by 0.15, and that's what you're going to get after they take that 15% fee out. You can set up paywall content. You can post member exclusive content for your subscribers. So if you want only certain people to watch certain specific content and have them pay additional fees, you can do that and earn money on top of the money that you're already earning. And it's daily payout, so you can get paid the next day with zero minimum requirements of threshold. And what that means that after they take out that 15% fee, you can get all your money out, and you don't have to wait. And then the best part about it is unlimited streaming. You know how some platforms actually have where you have to limit your number of streaming like 8 hours a day or less than that? This platform is unlimited streaming, and it's free 4K 60 frames per second, which is good, and that's what you want for your live streaming, to make sure that your live streaming is flowing well and that there's no disruptions. So as you can see, you can go live anytime from the link at your live.space/you. So this is another way to bring or find potential, subscribers or followers over to this platform, and then convert them over to YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and earn even more money on top of that. So I just wanted to kind of bring this to your attention. You can really start building income on this LiveSpace. I don't think a lot of people know about LiveSpace, but it's here to stay, and it's no longer MySpace. So if you ever try to find that website, do not go there, because you won't find it. It's obsolete. It's gone. LiveSpace is the way to go. Other than that, I don't want to bore you with the same outro. Have a good day, money makers. I'm going to say have a blessed, prosperous, wondrous weekend and week. Night, day, wherever you're at. And I just want you guys to know that it's been really good rocking with you guys. I enjoy the live streams. I enjoy you telling me how to improve. I really do enjoy every bit and every one of over my 200 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. I'm gonna be doing a lot more in the future for you. I just gotta get a lot more people that wants to come on and do live sits with me and talk about their money experiences because I'm really looking for having a one-on-one interviews and stuff like that. But I gotta find platform is called Rabel. It's the ultimate platform for independent content creators, and it's taking back control of the content we create and consume. We no longer have to be restricted to YouTube, Instagram's rules. We can find our own platforms that works best for us, and that's going to pay us what we're worth because we're the one putting in this content every single day. YouTube don't do that. Instagram don't do that. Facebook don't do that. We make the platform by putting the content out. So it's important that we get the majority of the money. And this is what this platform is all about, having creative control. In a world where platform control narrows and suppresses revenue, Rebel emerges as the ultimate remedy. We are not just a marketplace, we're a movement committed to dismantling the binge watch culture and replacing it with meaningful creator driven content. Rebel's mission. Our mission is clear. Empower creators, disrupt the status quo, and provide a marketplace where conscious choice and creative freedom are the rule and not the alternative. Rebel is more than a platform. It's a statement that quality, independence, and transparency matter in the content we create. The solution for content creators. You have full creative control. Your vision is is the go-go. It does not have to fit in a box. You can create whatever you want to. You won't be demonetized for saying a bunch of things, but you have to make sure that you're not just willingly saying anything and just lies is thrown out. So at some point you will be held responsible, but this is a more creative control platform where you're not restricted as such as Instagram or YouTube, where they ban you for certain things. We celebrate uniqueness and authenticity to all of its forms and all of its members. Transparent revenue. Our 90-10 revenue share model ensures that you receive the lion's share of the earning. You receive the majority of it. We believe in fair compensation for your creativity and hard work, and you can connect with an audience that's eager for creative, independent, and content. You are discoverable on Rebel. Your audience is waiting for you. So, if you already have an existing audience on Instagram or Facebook, you can tell them about your platform here, and they could be members of your, memberships or however you set up your page here. It's important to get the word out as much as you can about these other platforms because you never know when YouTube, Instagram is going to be obsolete. It's not going to, no, I tell you, no platform is going to be here forever. So you better start saving. You better start looking for alternative platforms because I'm here to tell you, just like MySpace went out, just like, a lot of other platforms, it's not going to be here. All of these platforms are not going to be here forever. So it's best to start saving money and looking at alternatives. That way you're getting monetized on multiple platforms, or when one platform shuts down, you have money saved and you have money over in another platform. So it's just best to start thinking about alternatives if you haven't thought about it. That's all I wanted to say today, guys. But let me know if this video is going to help you. Have you thought about alternative opportunities besides YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter? Those are good and they've been a while. They've been around for over 10, 15 years, but don't get so complacent where you're thinking, oh, it's going to be here forever. You have to make sure you are monetizing yourself at other platforms. So when those platforms do shut down or something happens or the company goes back, do you like creating content for social media? You can start earning real cash back when you post about Peerspace. So why do you want to be in this ambassador program? Or why should you become an ambassador? We know people who use Peerspace are some of the most creative and inspiring people in the world. And now we want to reward you for helping tell our story to others on Instagram or TikTok. So it's basically just telling, giving people, random people or your followers, promotion of the Peerspace, as if you've been through their program and you know a lot and you can, really pretty much vouch for them. And so basically, you can make money by joining their ambassador program. You can enter content challenges to be eligible for cash back. You can post videos. These are just all the ways you can make money from them. You can complete challenges by posting content from your next production shoot, party, or team offsite in a Peerspace studio, and you can get rewarded for cashback based on your content's performance. So here's how you can be applied to become a Peerspace ambassador. So be sure to use the same email as your Peerspace account. By clicking on the submit, you agree to the terms of the program. So just read those, click on this terms, the link, and you'll be okay. So this wants your first name, your last name, your email, your Instagram, your TikTok, the country of residence, your like presence, tell us what you where you were born, and then submit it. And so basically, it's an approval process. If they like the content that you create, and they want to brand with you and they want to partner with you to promote their products and stuff like that, it's a win-win because not only are you promoting their products and you're advertising their company, they're going to bring more people to you because they know that the more promotion that they give to your channel is going to bring more people to your channel, and the more promotion you give to them is going to bring more people to them. So it's a win-win for both of you guys. So don't sleep on this program. I highly recommend. If you don't know a little bit about this, you can just take a look and just kind of browse through it, and see what they're about. So they do a whole lot of other things that you can, kind of make money from too. So just don't limit yourself to that. You can rent out spaces and things of that nature, and then flip it that way. I highly recommend that you join their ambassador program. So don't miss out on that. But that's kind of all I have for you guys. You can kind of go through this and do this yourself. But other than that, you have a great and wonderful day. Bye. I don't know